Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to master the settings inside Google AI Studio so you can create high-quality professional voiceovers that sound natural and perfect for Tier 1 audiences. Let's get started. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, the first thing you need to look at is the model selection. This is very important. Different models give different levels of quality. Always choose the latest and most advanced model available. This will give you a more natural, human-like voice, which is exactly what you want for YouTube content. Next, let's talk about temperature. Temperature controls how creative or stable your output is. If you set a low temperature, like 0.2 or 0.3, your voice will sound more consistent and professional, perfect for tutorials and educational videos. If you increase it to 0.7 or higher, the voice becomes more creative and expressive, but sometimes less accurate. For most videos, the sweet spot is between 0.3 and 0.5. Now let's move to Top P and Top K. These settings control how the AI chooses words. Top P focuses on probability, while Top K limits the number of word choices. If you want clean and stable voiceovers, it's best to keep these settings at their default values. Another important option is Max Output Tokens. This controls the length of your generated content. If your script is long, make sure to increase this value so your voice doesn't get cut off in the middle. You might also see safety settings or other parameters. For most YouTube content, you can leave them as default and focus mainly on the model and temperature. Here's a pro tip. Always test your settings. Generate your voice, listen carefully, and adjust if needed. Small changes can make a big difference in how professional your final result sounds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.